Hi, I'm Eric Kornecker. I'm here to talk about this clearing press. It's a 500-ton, straight side, double crank press. On older presses, the big thing is you're getting a cheap price for a big casting. It would cost over $1 million to replace this machine today, and you can buy it for a fraction of that cost now. This machine is used for either stamping or drawing parts. It could be anything, as long as they're within 96 by 60-inch dimension. It's got a bed area of 60 by 96, as you can see up here. The ram is the same size. When buying something like this, you're looking for the bed size first, then the stroke length, the machine's going up and down, also the shut height, which is the vertical distance the die can go in. Very important in these large presses is if the machine is flush floor or does it go in the ground. This is when your machine is flush floor. You can put the vibration pads on it. It reduces the stress on the foundation. Dual palm buttons. You need 2 people to operate the machine. Each person has 1 hand on each button. So it takes 4 hands to operate the machine. This is to feed material from right to left through the press, so you can automate it. That's a T-slotted bolster plate. There are T-slots all over, so you can bolt down whatever die you have in any configuration. If you're looking to buy a straight side press, the things you want to look for first would be stress cracks in the ram, in the bed, or in the side housings. Next, you want to move up to the crankshaft. Look for any stress cracks in the crankshaft as well. Next, if you can, with a hydraulic jack, you want to jack up the ram and see all the vertical connections. There could be 3 or 4 connections that have brass bushings. You can see how much slop is in those and know whether you have to replace them or not. Next thing to do is look at controls. See how updated the controls are, see if you might want to update them yourself or use it the way it sits. Next, you want to see if there's windows in the side housing so you can feed right to left and not just hand feed it front to back. That's about it for straight side presses.